down. There we go.
It's pretty slick.
Yeah. Runs it right out of there.
One seamless piece, 42 feet long.
That looks real close.
Looks good to me.
Yeah, that color blends right in.
Yeah, it works out great.
Nice.
That won't leak.
I make sure. Some guys put a little bead on. I make sure my end caps don't leak. I don't want to be coming back for leaking end caps. Rather spend a little more on caulk.
Yep. was over 100 degrees today. Crazy heat wave we're having. I drank a gallon of water and processed it, but managed to get all of our drain line done, at least for now, until we're able to bury it with the trencher. So we're gonna let it sit here and function at least until we can get the trencher out here. But basically I took this 4-inch corrugated, non-perforated ABS drain pipe with the right connectors, 3x4 downspout connector, and then I did a Y down there to connect the 2 downspouts to one outlet. 2 self-tapping screws in each connection, so it kind of stays and holds together. I've seen this happen where over time that shrinks and the ground moves and pulls these off. We don't want that to happen, so we're gonna let that kind of sit there and see what happens over the next couple days. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, but it worked out good. So gutters, these guys came and had that done in 2 hours. I can't say enough about John at Superior Spouting. He came out a couple months ago, showed me some color chips, and we picked the color which matches everything perfectly. Decided we were going to do some 6-inch seamless gutters, 42-inch long or 42 feet long. Like I said, can't say enough about John. He showed up on time to the minute. He was completely responsive to every text and phone call, and he had a fair price, banged it out. Excellent. One of the best subcontractors I've worked with. So if anybody needs gutters done in the foothills of North Carolina, check out John at Superior Spouting. I'll leave a link to that. Probably a reason why he has 5 stars on Google reviews. It was just great experience. Like I said, 100 degrees today. These 2 Mr. Cool units have been keeping up just fine. No issues. It's like 74 degrees in the house and it's amazing. So far so good with that as well. All right, seamless gutter. First downspout. We did not put the downspout on this end because this porch is in the way, or this set of steps is in the way, but this worked out way better and required less drain line for the, the black drain line. So that's going to work out good. Like I said, we got 2 connectors on each, or 2 screws on each connection. So that's a fitting that connects to the pipe. Everything's screwed together. That's rock is temporarily holding that there until we can get it buried. Come down here. We're going to trench this in. This is the end where the gutter ends, comes down. Boom. Same downspout fitting goes into a little section there, and then I'm connected them together with a Y fitting, and it goes over there. Same thing on the front. Now, eventually, my plan is to put 3 foot tall by 3 foot wide by really long, however long, raised beds, and that'll be our garden, and it's going to be down here. So I'll probably start here and go all the way basically where that old temporary power pole is right there. That is going to go away. So that's going to be a long single row of garden bed, and I want to tie these drain lines into a catchment system. So see that drain line going across the driveway right there. There'll be a cistern there of sorts, a cistern here, and that will be the water source, one of the water sources for these raised bed gardens that we're going to start building this fall. So that was kind of the method to that madness, and we'll see how it works. Okay, with this project done, the porches are finished. I can relax a little bit because rainy season's here and we're getting some crazy weather. Hard driving, horizontal Forrest Gump style rain, but so far we're okay. So next episode, we're going to be building a rustic farmhouse style queen size platform bed with storage drawers underneath. It's turning out amazing. Probably come out in a couple days. So if you're interested in building one of those and figuring that out, stay tuned to that episode. We'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Peace.